just dropped Maya off at work. I don't normally wake up grumpy, but I feel pretty grumpy today. Is it because I'm 31 now? Do you like hit 31 and now you're allowed to be like a grumpy old man? I just woke up in a bad mood. Alright, I didn't get a chance to finish painting these cabinets yesterday, so let's start there. I just wanted to interrupt this video because I was speaking to a friend and I had an epiphany about why it is that tradesmen may not want to be doing the small jobs. Certainly why I don't want to be doing them. Let's try and explain it on some paper. It goes something like this. Okay, this is my last piece of big card, so I hope I get this right. Alright, each of these pennies represents a different kind of job. So let's say that we have 1p's, 5's, and 20's. Now, a 1p job equals something like a small job. A 5p is a one-day job. And 20p equals a job that will take you a few days. Maybe 3 or 4. Based on this information, I could do, say, 3 smaller jobs in a day. Or I could do perhaps 2 to 3 of these in a week. Or a job like this once a week. Here's my problem with these kinds of jobs. For the most part, each of these coins represents one customer. That means that I need to attract 3 customers to fill 1 day's worth of work. I have to market to 3 different people, or be popular enough to try and bring 3 people to me. The same is true for these jobs. A job like this allows me a little bit of time. I can look for my new customer during these 2 to 3 days, and hopefully find another one of these, or another one of these. This is even better again. This gives me 1 week to find any more of these customers for the following week. But even so, this is a very fast-paced rat race, and it's not really sustainable in the long term. I'm looking for people who want jobs like this, this, and this. A job like this means I need to find only 1 customer every few months. Jobs like this represent a kitchen, or a whole house renovation, or designing a shop. These jobs represent trimming a door, hanging some shelves, laying a floor. Those small jobs stack up to being so much more work and so much more stress for most of the time less money. I used to do a lot more handyman work back when I started my workshop. These days, there's just no point. I'd rather take a bigger client and know where I'm going to be for the next few months than fiddle around trying to trim a door and then tomorrow I'm looking for someone who needs their floor laid. I would rather spend the energy looking every day for 6 weeks to find 1 big client than I would to spend every day looking for 1 small client. Just thought I'd share my thoughts on that. Anyway, back to the vlog.
Thanks for picking me up.
Oh, that's all right. I was just chewing my finger. 2 more days to go?
1.5.
1.5 days to go. I need 2 more lifts to take you into work. And then I'm free of this drive every day.
Where's Maya going? Swimming again.
Bye, my little swimmer. I just strapped those cabinets to the truck. We're going to go and deliver those to a client's house in a minute. All right, I just finished at the client's house. I'm gonna go back now to see Maya and get some dinner. Look how dusty it is on my dashboard.
Good boy.
Cheers.
Good boy.
What's this called?
Mexican.
A fajita.
Vagina.
Thanks for my fajita.
That's a beautiful throw. He saved his best to last.
That's the best way to get your plate clean before you put it in the dishwasher. Get a job. Somebody needs a late night snack.
It's just a little.
Can I have one of those,
No.
please?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.